Hi friends, welcome to watch the new video.
In the October 2024 Haryana Assembly elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) emerged as the leading party, securing 48 out of 90 seats, which allows it to form the government for the third consecutive term. The Indian National Congress (INC) followed closely, winning 37 seats. Additionally, 3 seats were won by independent candidates, and the Indian National Lok Dal (INLD) managed to secure 2 seats. Nayab Singh Saini, the BJP leader and current Chief Minister of Haryana, won his seat in Ladwa and is expected to continue in his role. He credited the victory to the policies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the hard work of the BJP party members. Meanwhile, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, a senior Congress leader, retained his seat in Garhi Sampla Kiloi with a large margin of over 70,000 votes. The election saw some high-profile wins and upsets. For instance, Savitri Jindal, an independent candidate and former Haryana minister, won the Hisar constituency. This win was notable as she defeated the BJP and Congress candidates in a closely contested race. The Election Commission of India, ECI, monitored the elections closely, and despite some complaints from the Congress party about delays in updating the results, the ECI dismissed these claims, stating that the process was conducted transparently and fairly overall. This election showed a strong contest between the BJP and Congress, with BJP managing to retain control of the state. While the Congress made significant gains, it wasn't enough to unseat the ruling BJP. The results reflect a continued support for BJP's governance in Haryana, although the Congress remains a strong opposition.
Please subscribe. Feel free to support for more contents.